Back here again. I'm about to go get the parts Wagoneer. So the homeowners association, my neighborhood, can't chop up any more cars in my yard. Naturally, it makes sense. But we're going to go pick this one up. It already has the motor, transmission, transfer case, and everything pulled. And we're gonna pull back my driveway. It's Sunday, so I'm not gonna be able to check anything. We'll be able to pull everything out. Pretty stoked, and then we'll just take it to the junkyard with the axle still on. What's up, y'all? Legacy 4x4 here again. Just picked up the 84 wagon parts mobile. It's hoods in the back, grills in the back, extra parts, quarter panels. It's got power windows, power locks on all the doors, so I'll probably switch that over to my truck in the future. 80 shag carpet, because it's 84. But yeah, I picked this up for $1,000. Original dash, original interior, original doors. I don't know if I'm gonna remake the skins or if I'm going to use these doors or what. I'll figure that out when I get home and take everything off. But $1,000, the real reason I bought it is because Jeep Wagoneers have the third longest running body style in automotive history. I think, something like that. But tailgate fits my 65, so tailgate's going on the 65, gonna get repainted. It's gonna have the cool chrome Wagoneer, cool lift. He also gave me the electronic motor assembly for the tailgate switch, so that's gonna go on there. Bumpers are gonna go on there. I'll put the chrome bumpers on there. I'll probably steal the trailer hitch too. Maybe the seats, maybe the entire doors, or just the door mechanisms. I haven't figured it out yet. Either way, I'm probably gonna steal the power windows. Probably gonna steal all of the cool buttons. But yeah, I picked it up for $1,000. Like gonna steal these like running board or these side rails. A bunch of stuff's gonna get stolen from the Wagoneer and put on the 65, and that way it's gonna be a complete project when I get done with it. All right, y'all. Breaking down the 84. Most of the parts are off. Hood, grill, transmission, transfer case, radiator, fan shroud, extra quarter panel, carburetor, starter, distributor, alternator, tailgate. The only reason I bought it. Old seats, extra trim, random mounts, door skins, doors, breathers, distributor cap, and yeah. Breaking it down right now. It's about to start raining, but I'm trying to get this all done tonight so that the HOA in my neighborhood doesn't fucking ream me a new one for having yet another project car in my yard. But I'm gonna take that cross member too, take the bumpers, take the lights. I'm gonna take most of the stuff off of it before it gets sold to someone else, just as a roller. Right now the goal is to take everything I need, sell the engine, transmission, transfer case for $500-600. I paid $1,000 for this whole thing, remember? Take everything I need, sell the drivetrain for $500-600, scrap the rest as soon as I can, because the HOA doesn't allow me to do auto work in my driveway. I know, there's a tent, don't worry. They can't see if there's a tent there, that's how I do the rest of it. But they don't allow me to do auto work in my driveway. So scrap the rest, get out of my driveway as soon as I can. $100, have someone just be like, hey, I listed it right now for $100, like, hey, someone come take it out of my driveway. We'll see if that sells. If not, gonna junk the whole thing. Now I'm gonna take the axles. I'm gonna take the Jeep rim cap or the Jeep caps on it, but not gonna take the axles. Just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna dump it in a junkyard, get it out of my property, get off my books, and yeah, I'll just have what I need. And what, I'll be $300 for a tailgate, door mechanisms for the passenger doors that I need, their power window mechanisms. I'll be what, $300 for all that? Like, I'll take that any day of the week. But right now I'm gonna finish taking off the bumpers. I'm gonna finish taking off the trailer hitch and go through the rest of it and scrounge any other parts that I might need. See you guys later. All right, y'all, back again, this time with the 84 Wagoneer all taken apart. Like it was before, hood, grill, parts of the drivetrain, spare tire, quarter panel, tailgate. All literally, the only reason that I picked it up is to get a tailgate. Got a trailer hitch out of it too. Seats gonna sell, other seats gonna sell. Skins, trim, probably keep all that. Easy to keep. Weatherproofing, keeping all that. I'm putting that on the 65. Bumpers, putting those both on the 65. Gonna leave those lights, they're pretty cool. Kind of like these, chrome, black, you know, goes with the vibe. Center hubcaps, I'm gonna probably put those on the CJ, to be honest, because the CJ has aftermarket ones, but probably put those on the CJ. It's the same generation anyways. Taillights, reflectors are going on the 65. Doors are all off. Mirror's gonna go on the 65 on the two front doors. These doors have power windows, power locks, so maybe gonna replace all the mechanisms out of these doors and put them in the 65 doors. I don't know yet. We'll see. All I know is I'm gonna save these doors for now, and going to save them and going to put them to use in the future. Don't know what, but definitely gonna rob the mechanism out of them at some point. Here's what's left of the 84 wagon. Taking the windshield tomorrow. I'm gonna have the glass guy come swap out, take that windshield out, take the windshield out of 65, and put the nice windshield in the 65. Nice shag carpet, classic 80s. It's a shame I'm not gonna be able to part off this dash because the homeowners association doesn't let me have, you're not allowed to do auto work in your driveway. So I'm not gonna be able to leave this here. It's getting all pushed out tomorrow. I'm gonna sell it to a guy. He's gonna come pick it up for way below what it's worth, but it's all right. It's the best I can do for right now. But 84 Wagoneer was a pretty good donor, if you ask me. Got pretty much every other part that I need for the 65. Now all I have to do is just, you know, finish the entire 65 wagon, and then it'll be good. But I got a lot of good parts here, and at the end of the day, it'll be almost no cost to me once I sell the 84 body, sell the drivetrain, sell the seats, sell the grill, sell the hood. It'll be like zero cost to me. If not, I'll make money on it. So it's looking good so far. Next time coming up is going to be getting all the new parts, new to me parts, put on the wagon and starting to prep the tailgate for paint. See ya.